Hi, welcome back to Coldstream Rod Shop. I'm Derek Fraser. Today we have the fenders painted. The last episode I showed where we had all the finished bodywork done onto it, ready to basically hit it with some sealer and then 2 coats of the urethane paint. So fenders are painted black underneath. I painted them black underneath first, upside down, and then I taped the underneath with paper and that, so that when I spray up underneath the edges here, I didn't get blue paint underneath. I would have preferred to paint the underneath of the fenders the same color as the top, but quite literally I don't have enough paint to finish the truck. So I painted the underneath of the fenders with a black urethane enamel. And then now I've got, like I said, I've got the 2 coats, actually 2 coats of the urethane paint on top with a mist coat on top of that, because when you're spraying metallic paint, you can get some tiger striping and whatnot. So your last pass, basically you turn the pressure up on the gun 3-4 psi, and then instead of being 8 inches away from the paint, you basically back off around the 12-inch mark, and you just basically mist coat the whole thing. So what that'll do, it'll settle down, and anywheres where if you had any tiger striping or whatever, it'll just basically blend it into a nice color. So that's what we did on both fenders here. I'm going to unmask them underneath, and then I'll start installing them over on the 32 pickup. We're going to try a little time lapse here. As I take them over, we'll see how it goes. Hopefully you enjoy. Hi, so we're over near the garage. One thing I failed to mention, I have the fender braces. They were all cleaned up and painted, so they're on. So what's going to happen, I'm going to bring both fenders over, untape them, put them on. Everything is going to go together loose because you can't tighten anything. Basically, you're going to put both fenders on, the headlight bar goes on, everything goes loose, and then you just work your way around and tighten everything up. Had them on the truck 2 or 3 times already. So follow along, we'll try this time-lapse thing, okay? so that's it. That's our first try on time-lapse photography of me working under pressure for the camera. So we've got the fenders on. As you saw, one of the fenders just did not want to go on, but ultimately it did. It did fit because they've been on there twice before, like I said. The headlight bar is quite difficult to put on. You have to have everything loose to basically fit it in place to snug things on. So everything's snugged in place. I've got to run to the hardware store and pick up a couple stainless steel bolts to finish putting them on, but that's the fenders, the front fenders. It's really just tightening everything up from here on in. So I'll finish that off, but the next video we'll be doing the running boards and the back fenders. I'm not sure if they're going to be in one episode or two. Depends on how much time we have, but that's it for now. That's the front fenders for the 32 Ford pickup. Everybody take care. Have a great weekend.